Part 4 of my 4-part installment, solving rational equations. We're only going to do 2 examples today, number 9 and number 11. And just try to keep it short today. I know it's Friday. Let's try to pay attention though. Write some stuff down. Here we go. Number 9. We have r plus 3 and a couple of r minus 2s. So this one doesn't have the r minus 2, and these don't have the r plus 3. So for the common denominator, hold on. We need both of those binomials as the common denominator. Just think this is a number, and this is a different number, and you multiply those numbers together to get the common denominator. Okay? So we need over here, we got r plus 3, but we need r minus 2. I'm going to write that on the top. Try to keep it the same as I did it the last few days. On the bottom over here, we have r minus 2, but we need, on both of these, might as well. On both, we need r plus 3. Okay, just write that down like that. R plus 3, that's really bad, r plus 3. Now at this point, I write what the numerators were, so times 1, that's not going to change the r minus 2. Over here, we have an r plus 4. We're going to have to distribute that, double distribution. And then here we have 6. We'll have to distribute that as well. Okay. Now let's go over here and write down what that looks like after we take care of our distributions. But remember, we don't have to worry about the denominator anymore until the end when we have to check for extraneous solutions. We got an r minus 2. Here, let's go ahead and you can do this on the side. That's what I'd recommend. Try not to mix it into your work. R plus 4, let's see, so we got r squared. We got a 3r and a 4r. With that torpedo right there, plus 4r, and we got a plus 12. Okay, so combine like terms, r squared plus 7r plus 12. Over here we have distribute 6, so we've got 6r plus 18. Okay, our rational equation has turned into a quadratic. So let's combine like terms and zero it out. And the r squared is here. So I'm going to move these terms over, okay? I'm going to probably combine like terms first on this side. So we've got 7r and 6r is 13r. 12 and 18 makes 30. Now let's move these over. Minus r, put it underneath its like term. Plus 2, put it underneath its like term, which is a constant. R squared plus 12r plus 32 equals 0. Okay, let's factor it, solve, and check. Remember, it's a race. Quadratic formula, go. But you should really factor. Plus here, plus there. A few numbers that multiply to 32 and add to 12. 8 times 4. So r plus 8 equals 0, and r plus 4 equals 0. R is negative 8. R is negative 4. What do you think about those solutions? If you put negative 8 right here, that's negative 8 plus 3. That's okay. This would be negative 8 minus 2. Remember, you're looking to see, does it turn into 0 in the denominator? No, you're good here. So we're going to keep the negative 8. Plug in negative 4. You'd be looking at negative 4 plus 3, which is negative 1, close. And negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. That's okay. We keep both solutions. All right. It's nice to have all this space for one problem, especially when it takes that much to get to it. All right, next, we're going to do number 11. Oh, I see you've dressed up too. I see you dressed up as well. It's a work day. Wow. Thank you. Let me come take a look at that. It's not even right. You answered Kansas. I don't watch your videos. Erase, 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 erase. Kidding me with this? All right, here's what it's supposed to look like, okay? We need a common denominator. The denominator over here is 1. Ignore his other stuff. So we have n plus 3, we need an n plus 3 over there. So let's set it up and rewrite everything that has the common denominator n plus 3, which is all this stuff here. Then over there, we need, thanks. We need an n plus 3 times the top and the bottom, numerator, denominator, but there's also an n minus 3 right here. So we're going to have to do a, oh, look at that. That's going to end up the difference of two perfect squares. That's cool. All right, focus on the numerator. Bring it over here and continue. 1 plus n squared plus 6n plus 5 equals n squared minus 3n plus 3n, cancel, minus 9. All right, let's zero it out. Oh, do you see this? I see something. I see something. Right here. When you subtract n squared from both sides, boom, boom, gone. So we're left with, let's go ahead and combine like terms right here as well. 6n plus 6 equals negative 9. Subtract 6 from both sides. 6n equals negative 15. Go, divide by 6. And we always simplify our answers, so divide both by 3. We 5 over 2. Negative 5 over 2. That's going to be okay here. That's negative 2.5 plus 3 is positive 1/2. So we are good with that solution if it checks out. Da, 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 da. It's a good! It's good. Last marker toss of the week! End scene.